Hi there, it's a wonderful Tuesday afternoon here in Norway, southern Norway. It's the end of, no, it's the beginning of June actually, and it's very warm, but I'm not here to talk about the weather. I'm here to test or do a review of the TBS Boar. It's a knife that I've had for 2 years now, and I've used it a lot. So it's not a straight out of the box review. It's not a first look. It's a knife that's been tried and tested for about 2 years now by yours truly. Let's get a close-up of the knife. It comes with different sheath options. The knife itself looks like this. This is the, you can get it with different sorts of scales. This is the birch burl scales. It's a as you can see, I haven't cleaned it. It has some scratches from the ferro rod. Not scratches. This will wash off, by the way. So the way I see it, a bushcraft knife will always be a compromise, but I need my knife to be a good splitter. I use my bushcraft knives for batoning. It needs to be a good knife for whittling, and I need to be able to make feather sticks. So this knife with a boar symbol there. So let's get straight to it. So it tends to dig in a little bit too deep, but it's you still get the result you want. Okay, it's you won't have a problem with this knife. It fits your hand like a glove, you know? Well, not a glove, but you get my meaning. You can work with this knife for hours, I have, and you won't get blisters. If I dare say it, this is my favorite. I have knives that perform better for whittling, like for instance Custom number 10. it's perfect for whittling, you know. And this one, it's a little bit heavy for carrying in your belt. This is the sort of knife that will do anything, and you won't have a problem with this knife. When I bought this knife, I chose the stainless version. I expected the steel to be a little bit soft, but it's not. I have never had any dents. If I washed this knife now, it would look as new, I would say. If I washed it and oiled the handle with some linseed oil, it would look as if it was straight out of the box. So I do really recommend this knife. Probably for women and people with smaller hands, the handle might be a little bit too big. I have fairly large hands, and it fits my hand quite well. 2 Scandinavian dangler options. This one with an attachment. I don't have the original TBS sheath. I do have it at home, but I've made some modifications to it, so it doesn't look like the original anymore. By the way, thank you, Simon, for your Ferro rod. It's great. Simon makes these Ferro rods. They come with a compartment here, so I'll put a link in the video description as well to those. So that's it for now. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you're looking for a bushcraft knife, this will probably be a good option. I'm not saying this because they are not paying me to say this, by the way. I just want you to know that this was my honest opinion about this knife. I've used it for 2 years. It's never let me down. It's a great bushcraft knife. It's not perfect, but it will do the job. So TBS Boar, I can absolutely recommend it. By the way, if you like this video and you would like to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to this channel and become part of our community. There are giveaways coming up. Let me know if you would like a knife, a TBS Boar, as a giveaway at 3,000 subscribers. Yeah, let me know if you want that. That's all for now. Take care.